Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So on the Ethereum chart, we're still holding below that initial resistance area. However, should Bitcoin push higher, then Ethereum will likely be pulled with it. Okay, so we need to have a bullish path. And to be fair, the move to the upside does look like a five-wave move up. I mean, we talked about that in the last update, but it hasn't really followed through yet. So what I'm considering is, and that's of course, I wouldn't call it necessarily high probability scenario. Yeah, I mean, we're talking here really about a small time frame, but my view is that it is possible that really, I mean, the move down can be considered complete. We can call it five-wave move down in wave C. Another low can still happen. I cannot rule that out, and it would be an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave, best I can tell. So if you're wondering about a micro count, this is just initial resistance here. So if that breaks, that would not necessarily confirm we're going higher, but would be an initial confirmation. Better confirmation would be a break above that green signal line, 2,560. It is the Monday high. That's really a key level on a lot of cryptocurrency charts, and we talked about that one in the last video as well, so it shouldn't be a surprise. Overall, what really is important now is to understand that if we get that five-wave move up, as shown in white, above 2,560, that would be a, let's say, rather good confirmation that a low has formed in this larger degree fourth wave here on Tuesday at around $1,990. But if we form only three waves up, okay, so if it's, for example, stops at the third wave, then it could easily be yellow wave B. So it really, we need those five, because then we can start to rule out the yellow count. And if one more low forms, then the level is still relevant around 1817 down there. Let's say the $1,800 area. This is still very, very relevant. This is the level that we've been watching. It doesn't mean we have to get there, but if the price cannot form a five-wave, or let's say as long as the price hasn't formed a five-wave move up, this remains a reasonable and quite likely scenario. We need to get a break above this green signal line. That's really, as I said, a key level across different crypto charts. Been looking at many charts today. Some of them are attacking that level already, but many are still below. So this is very, very key level that is just a sector-wide signal level, really. Yeah. So pressure seems downward as long as below this level, but we're open to the idea that a low has formed. If that is the case, then yeah, I mean, we can call that a five-wave move up in wave one. Then this could be a running flat that formed here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Running flats are quite bullish. It does look a bit strange, but again, this here looks like five up. And then this here could have been an A wave down, a B wave up, and maybe a C wave down. So we might have seen a low in that white wave 2 already. Definitely possible. And then if we now see a break above 2,268, pretty much the intraday high, or a bit higher, 2,270, then we could start that, or let's say it would be an indication that the third wave has started, or the C wave within B, because in the yellow count then, this is, hold on, instead of wave 1, that's wave A, B instead of 2, C instead of 3. So that's why we can't really distinguish between these two until we get this top, and then watch how the price reacts to support for white wave 4, which of course I can't give you yet because we haven't even topped up there. Yeah, I don't really have any other support levels. So for now, this is something to watch. I would expect a lot of volatility over the coming sessions due to the upcoming crypto White House summit. But overall, for now, I think the structures are communicated, the levels are clear. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.